dividing a number by 3. If you are given any number and you want to divide it by 3 quickly, you want to be very sure first whether the number is really divisible by 3. And to test for that, what you do is that you look at the digits involved in the number given and see whether if you add all the digits together, you get a multiple of 3. Which means that if I give you 27 and you want to see whether 27 is divisible by 3, you do 2 plus 7 and that will give you 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. That means 27 is divisible by 3. If I give you a number like 42, and you want to be sure whether 42 is divisible by 3, then you say 4 plus 2. That will give you 6, which means 6 is a multiple of 3. For that matter, 42 is divisible by 3. Is 81 divisible by 3? I guess your answer is right. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. Is 1, 2, 3 divisible by 3? Well, let's see. 1 plus 2 plus 3 together will give us 6. And 6 is a multiple of 3. For that matter, 123 can be divided by 3 without a remainder. Now let's learn the tricks in doing or dividing a number by 3 mentally without using pen and paper. Let's take a simple number like 24 divided by 3. How fast can you do this? Now this is what you have to do if you want to do mental division. First of all, we know that 24 is divisible by 3 because 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is a multiple of 3. Now, you have to first know your multiplication by 3 so easily, so that you can divide a number by 3 with ease. Because you're going to do simple addition in the course of dividing. Okay, now I know 3 in terms of multiplication, or multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I mean, it goes on and on. So what I'll do is that I'll ask myself, what multiple of 3 do I know so close to 24? Either I can think of 18 or 21. And so quickly, if it is 21, I'll ask myself 21 plus what will give me the 24? And that will be 3. Or I can think of 18 plus 6 will give me 24. Or I can think of 15 plus 9 will give me 24. Whichever way I go, I can easily get my division without struggling. If it is 21 that I know quickly about its multiplication, then I'll know that 21, 3 times what will give me 21. That means 21 divided by 3 will give me what? Then I also divide 3 by 3, like I did for the 2. So I know 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 divided by 3 will give me 7, plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. When I add, I get 8. If it is 18 plus 6 is what I know of 8 multiple in terms of 3, I know that 18 times what will give me, 3 times what will give me 18, right? I know 3, 6. So 18 divided by 3, and then 6 also divided by 3. For 18 divided by 3, I know I'm going to get 6. And for 6 divided by 3, I know I'm going to get 2. So when I add the 2 together, I get 8. Which also still means that 24 divided by 3 is 8. If I think of using 15 and 9, then I will say 15 divided by 3 and 9 also divided by 3. And that 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. 9 divided by 3 will give me 3. And when I add, I still get my 8. And so these are some of the things you can do to do a quick division by 3. Now let's take like 72 divided by 3. How fast can I get this answer? What I'll think of doing is, I know multiples of 3 in terms of 10, or multiplying 3 times 10 will give me 30. So I can easily write 72 as 30 plus 30 again, plus 30 plus 30 I know is going to give me 60 plus 12. So I can quickly have these numbers in mind. Oh, I know 30, 30, then 12. 30 divided by 3, 30 divided by 3, 30 divided by 3. Then I can break them down. 30 divided by 3, I know I'm going to get 10 because I know that very quickly. Then I have another 10 again. Then 12 divided by 3 is very small number to divide, which of course you know is going to give you 4. And so 10 plus 4 will give you what? 24. And for that matter, 72 divided by 3 is 24. You don't need long division for this. Okay, so all I have to do is that if I have 72 in my head, I know I can think of 60. 60 will give me 20. Then 12 will give me 4. So 24. Then I'm gone. Or 30, 30. So I have 10 plus 10 plus 4. So 24. This can help you to do a lot of multiplication or division by 3 without struggling. Let's take another example and see. Let's have maybe let's have 114 divided by 3. How fast can we get this mentally without using pen and paper? First of all, really is 114 or 114 divisible by 3? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so it means it will work. Then multiples of 3 that I know so quickly. I know 30, 30, 30 will give me 90. So 90 plus what will give me 114? Okay, 30 plus 24. When I add this and this, I can easily get my 114, right? Then I break them into pieces that I can easily divide by 3 without struggling. So there's no long division here. 90 divided by 3 in my head, I know what I can get. 24 divided by 3 is a very cool chop because I know my multiples of 3. And so 90 divided by 3, I know I'm going to have 10, 10, 10, so 30. So I have 30 in my head. Then 24 divided by 3, as simple as a question. 3 times what is 24? 3 8 24. That is cool. So 3 8 24. 30 plus 8 is 38. For that matter, finally, I can say that 114 divided by 3 is 38. This is cool. Now, try the following on your own and let's see. So, pause the video and try this mentally. And I know you will overcome mental division by 3.